In this video, you will learn how to connect and use the Axtel Remote Teaching Kit. To set up the kit, you need a computer with at least one USB-C port. Now we will show you how to use the kit for remote teaching. Unpack all items and switch on your computer. First, connect the hub to the USB-C port on your computer. You can connect the other devices to the hub or directly to your computer if you have free USB ports. Next, connect the graphics tablet to a USB-A port. Connect the camera to a USB-A port and slide open the privacy cover. Now connect the headset to a USB-C port. Put the headset on and place the microphone level with your mouth. The kit is now ready to use. Open your chosen video conferencing app and start your lesson. Now we will show you how to run a lesson in hybrid mode, when some students are in the classroom and others are learning from home. Unpack all items. Charge the wireless microphone and the microphone base station. Switch on your computer. First, connect the hub to the USB-C port on your computer. You can connect the other devices to the hub or directly to your computer if you have free USB ports. Connect the graphics tablet to a USB-A port. It is useful if you share the same view that students in the classroom can see. Now take the wireless microphone and turn it on. By holding the power button on the edge of the casing, the LED will start flashing. Next, turn on the microphone base station by holding its power button. When both devices are on, the microphone LED will stay lit. You can place the microphone on the desk or wear it on your clothing. Connect the microphone base station to the hub or to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Go to the tripod and remove the quick release plate. Then, unscrew the phone holder from the plate. Keep it, as you may want to mount a smartphone on the tripod in the future. Now screw the plate into the thread on the base of the Axtel camera. Extend the tripod legs to the height you need. Place the tripod and spread the legs firmly so it stands stable. Attach the quick release plate with the camera. Unlock the adjustment using the knob and handle. Aim the camera to your chosen shot, for example, the desk and the board. Then lock the position using the knob and handle. Finally, connect the camera to a USB-A port. Your hybrid teaching kit is now ready to use. To get the most from the Axtel Remote Teaching Kit, it helps to learn what each device can do and to adjust the settings to your room and your preferences. The Axtel wireless microphone gives you freedom to move around the classroom and helps remote students hear both the teacher and the students in the room. You can place the microphone on a desk or clip it to your clothing. If you clip it on, make sure it does not tap against hard items such as buttons, a zip, or jewellery. You can mute the microphone with a short press of the button on the edge of the casing. When mute is active, the red LED is on. The device has an environmental noise reduction feature enabled by default, which reduces sounds such as wind or street noise. You control it with a short press of the power button. A steady green light means noise reduction is on, and a blue light means it is off. The microphone has 3 sensitivity levels, and the current level is shown on the base station screen. To change sensitivity, use the plus and minus buttons on the edge of the base station. On the screen, you can also check the range and the battery level of both the microphone and the base station. Low battery on the microphone is also shown by a flashing red LED. Charge both devices using the included USB-C cable. Depending on your operating system and settings, After you connect the base station, you may need to select the microphone manually from the list of input devices. You can usually choose your preferred microphone directly in your video calling app. The Axtel Graphics tablet lets you write, solve tasks, and draw by hand. The tablet does not have a built-in screen. You will see your work on your computer monitor. Using the tablet, hold the pen like a pencil and move it across the tablet surface as if you were writing on paper. The tablet controls the computer cursor, and you can still use your mouse and trackpad. In the standard setup, the tablet does not block them. The tablet works only with the included pen. This allows pressure detection, which makes writing and drawing feel more natural. Pressure works in apps that support graphics tablet pressure. The included AX tablet app lets you program the function buttons and enable and set up pressure detection. The kit includes spare pen nibs. When a nib becomes worn, you can replace it easily using the included removal tool. The Axtel headset in the remote teaching kit makes it easier to listen and speak, reduces unwanted background noise, and helps prevent audio feedback. When you put on the headset, check the adjustable ear cups. If needed, extend them so they fit securely over your ears. Place the microphone level with your mouth. Gently bend the flexible boom so the microphone tip is about 2 fingers away from your mouth. Speak normally, in a natural tone and at a natural volume. For your comfort, the Axtel headset is reversible. You can wear it with the microphone on the left or on the right. On the headset cable, you will find an inline controller. You can adjust volume, mute the microphone, or mute the sound in the headset. Depending on your operating system and settings, after you connect the headset, you may need to select it manually as your output device and select its microphone as your input device. You can usually choose the preferred device in your video calling app. You can change microphone sensitivity in the settings of most operating systems and video conferencing apps. The Axtel camera helps students see the teacher, learning materials, and notes on the board. Brightness, color correction, and optical focus are set automatically when you start the device. Thank you for watching. We wish you comfortable and successful lessons with the Axtel kit.